brand. Hey,
Gosh, Mary, you've got good things here. Can I come play more often?
Oh my gosh, we would love it. And the chatters would too. We're loving seeing you with us.
They're probably like, why is she there?
No, they're so, it's
I'm
so
very
cool.
happy to be with you all. And we're chatting on your Facebook page, right?
That's right.
Because I
Yeah,
just
we
joined the fun over there. Okay, so get these now. They're sturdy, they're useful, and they're really pretty. You're just going to use them a lot. They're going to be under $15 a piece. So it is your set of two, 12-inch and 14-inch. So this is the big 14-inch, just so you can see. We also have the 12-inch that it's going to come to you as well. So the 12 and 14-inch bamboo trays, 4 easy payments of $7.50. I'll tell you, they were 54 and change, so that meant they were like 27 a piece. This is now like getting them home for $15 a piece, or if you prefer 4 easy payments on that easy pay, $7.50. Free shipping and handling. Everything's on free shipping and handling right now. All right, let's go through the colors. And we have some of the most popular prints and colors ever from Temp-tations. So we'll go through them together. Take a look for red, white, and blue for Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day, everything in between. Almost has that beautiful bandana print when you see it. It's what it reminds me of in these colors. Fewer than 400 of our patriotic. Then that's the confetti that I have in front of me. Always very, very popular. There's your gray. Now, I love the palm, but palm is very limited, only 7 dozen. It'd be beautiful indoors as well. There's your blue, 150 left in the blue. Same in the red, only about 150 left. That's that gorgeous taupe. And that is all we have. So let's get right to Lisa Lesort, who comes to us with Temp-tations. We cannot reorder these. Grab them now. So Lisa, these are really, really pretty. Even if you just wanted to, you know, put them up on shelves to match back to your Temp-tations, they would be beautiful. But I hope if anyone does that, they also take them down and use them because they're so functional.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And you know what's so great about this? It matches back, Sandra, to all the Temp-tations you've been collecting for 20 years. But a tray is a must-have in any home. What makes this one a little bit different is that beautiful bamboo construction. I love the sizes of the 12 and the 14-inch round because they're just so versatile and you can use them for anything. But then on the inside, you pick your pattern. This is all food grade safe. That means I can put food directly on here. To clean it, you're just going to take a sponge and you're literally just going to wipe it off right there. And you have almost a 2-inch depth on the side. So you start to see that you can layer food in here, but imagine putting a flameless candle in here, or maybe you do a charcuterie board in here. When you want to tuck them away, Sandra, they nest together, so super duper easy storage. But let me show you some of the ideas that I have over here. As we're getting ready for barbecue season, right? Literally put your food right on here. You can see the pattern peeking out of the taupe right there. But I put my lettuce, my tomatoes, my onions, and instead of putting things like this onto a metal cookie sheet, which we very often do sometimes when we're serving right off the grill, bring these outside, fill them up, and see how beautiful and functional your table and your entertainment becomes. Like, this is just stunning.
That is perfect. Hey, I noticed back there you have your drink dispenser that's also coming up. That matches.
Exactly.
You know what I love?
This is like our outdoors.
I think for everyone watching who's maybe like, I would love to entertain outside, or I'm going to have, maybe some friends over, and I'm just not sure like how to pull it all together. And I've done this too, like where I Google like inspiration and then wonder how to do it. Like it's all in the show. It's all on QVC.com. You get the bamboo trays, you get the drink dispenser, gosh, we had those pretty Martha Stewart tumblers that would work beautifully with this. But there's the drink dispenser, under $40, amazing value. But, Lisa, I think even in a bathroom, these would be gorgeous to put all of your toiletries on, perhaps keep things in one place. I think these would be really pretty on like a dressing table. There's in a family room, as using them as like giant coasters on the coffee table, right? Put one down, let people put their drinks there. So yes, perfect for outdoors, but because of that lovely bamboo, and of course it is our gorgeous, our old world pattern. We also have it in that palm, although it's more limited. Just get them home, use them everywhere. That's the taupe. Give us a call at 1-800-500-7590 if you want those. The red going quickly. There's the blue. Palm almost gone. How pretty is that? So don't wait for that. There's the gray. the patriotic, which, Lisa, I think the patriotic also reminds me, that's where I see that fabulous print almost looking like a bandana, which typically I never think of as looking like a bandana, but all of a sudden doesn't it almost feel like a little like Americana, yes, but even like a little Western, super cool. Great for all that modern farmhouse interiors as well. And then I have the confetti in front of me. This is your 14-inch. I want to show you the 12 will nest right inside. Normally, these were $54 and change, so that would be about $27 a piece. We're doing them here for under $15 a piece on Easy Pay, 4 easy payments of $740 with free shipping and handling. That looks so pretty, Lisa.
I know, right? And this is what entertaining's all about. We're finally having people back over again, right? It's spring. The first day of spring is tomorrow. These types of trays are essential. But what makes a really good tray and what makes a good investment of your money is when, whether it's empty or full, it looks stunning. So if you just, like you said, Sandra, want to display these on maybe a plate stand, fantastic. Want to fill it with food? Great. You start to see how versatile they are in any area of your home.
I mean, gosh, just to put one on your kitchen island as like the small one, maybe as like a little catch-all when you walk in to like throw down the mail, the keys, the phone chargers, whatever. It's awesome. Thank you so much, Lisa.
Bye, Sandra.
She'll be back with that drink dispenser under $40 right now, or today's bonus buy from Jimmy the Baker. I love him.
I just wrote in the